Hello scrappers, it's Wayne here, brand new at this game, first game today. Did I just say gay? I meant first day. I'm not gay. Bit of a backstory. We had a contract cleaning business for 5 years. It kind of went tits up in November last year due to coronavirus, blah de blah. The wife had a heart attack a couple of weeks ago, so that was a bit shit, but less of the doom and gloom. Got my license, there you go, that's me, so all ready to rock and roll. So I've advertised on Facebook. I've got 4 collections today. I'll show you them when I've loaded. I've got loads of stuff at home. Luckily enough, I've got plenty of space, and I'll get back to you in a bit. Thank you. Well guys, it looks like somebody got round before me for my pickups, but I managed to get a few bits. Bed frame, radiator, table, old camping cooker, chair, alternator, a few bits. But anyway, this is my little truck. Oh, I've just walked in a big puddle. It's my little truck, if you see it about, around the Spalding, Holbeach, South Holland area. That's me, give us a shout. Alright, onwards and upwards. Wow, just got a message off Facebook, and now my truck is monster chocker. Gonna have to sort through a bit of it probably. Yeah, cool. What a good end to the day. Got some brass in there and all sorts I'm gonna have to pick out, but yeah, wicked. Great first day. Thank you very much. The videos will get better. I'll probably invest in a decent camera instead of my phone. But yeah, that's it. See you later guys.